Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to walk you through the creation of isometric block number 14. It is a little bit more complicated, so I'm going to break this down for you and see if we can't get it completed. So let's go. In the Google Classroom, you'll see isometric block number 14 is the one that you see here on the screen. This is going to be done in 2 steps. We're going to create the back part here minus the small cube on front. Using the front plane, I'm going to mimic this sketch right here that represents our front plane. I'm then going to extrude that sketch back and then finish that extrusion. Then I'm going to add a sketch plane to the right face of that block and add the small cube in the middle. So let's go do that now. Start a new file by going to Create, Document. Call this ISO 14. Now start a sketch plane on the front face. Start with a rectangle tool and create the first portion of the block by adding a 3x1 rectangle. Then create the second portion of the block by adding a 2x1 rectangle. Now that our sketch is complete, we're going to extrude both of those rectangular surfaces a distance of 3. Click the green check mark, and the first section of this object is done. Now we're going to add that secondary cube to the right side here. So add a new sketch on the surface of the existing shape. Now rotate to the right side. Take your rectangle tool, place a rectangle at the bottom. Be careful not to lock your rectangles or your sketch tools to these orange squares. This is going to prevent us from dimension changing. So we want to make sure we don't click on anything that lines up with one of those orange dots or squares. Now I'm going to use the dimension tool to make this cube 1 inch by 1 inch. I'm then going to use a location dimension from the new cube to the existing shape. This is going to put a location dimension in between those 2 surfaces, and I want to make this 1 inch as well. Now I can finish the sketch, rotate back isometrically, use my extrusion tool, and select that new cube we just created. The extrusion depth is still going to be set to 1, as it's shown here in the concept sketch. Now I click the green check mark, and isometric block number 14 is complete. That's it. That's how we create isometric block number 14. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.